Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Tinder account. So if you also want to create Tinder account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. Tinder is an online dating platform that allows the users to connect and chat with each other. So if you also want to create Tinder account, for that first of all, what you have to do is launch open Tinder application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. Once the Tinder application has been opened, you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find the sign-in methods. If you already have the account, you can directly sign in to your account. But if you do not have the account yet, you can tap on any sign-in method of your preference. After that, you'll be directed to create the account for yourself. You can see three sign-in options over here. Sign in with Google, sign in with Facebook, sign in with phone number. So simply tap on the method that is most preferable for you. Here I'm just going to tap on the option sign in with Google. If you also tap on the option sign in with Google, you can see over here you'll have to choose an account to continue. So simply tap on the account of your choice. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your phone number. First of all, make sure to select the country code. Tap on the field of country code. After that, simply tap on the country code of your choice. Now what you have to do is enter your phone number over here. Simply enter your phone number. After entering the phone number, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here what you have to do is enter the code that you've received on your phone number. After entering the code, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several informations over here. What you have to do is tap on the option I agree that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now you'll have to provide your personal informations over here. First of all, what you have to do is enter your first name. After entering the first name, simply tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Simply tap on the option let's go. Now you can see over here you'll have to enter your birthday. First of all, enter your month. Now enter the day. Now what you have to do is enter the year. After entering the birthday, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to select your gender. Simply tap on the gender of your choice. You can also choose to show your gender on the profile. Simply check on the box show my gender on my profile. After doing that, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to select the sexual orientation. You'll be able to find several options over here. Simply tap on the options of your choice, or you can also skip it for now. If you want to skip, tap on the skip option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to choose who are you interested in seeing. Simply tap on the option of your choice. Tap on the next option. Now you'll have to answer few questions. You can see the question over here, what are you looking for? Simply tap on the options of your choice. Tap on the next option. Now you'll have to select a distance preference. Simply select the distance preference in the slider. Now tap on the next option. Now you have to select if school is your thing. You can also skip it for now. Simply tap on the skip option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you'll have to answer few questions. You can also skip it if you want. Simply tap on the skip option. You'll have to answer more questions. Here I'm just going to skip it. You can answer the questions if you want. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here what you have to do is add your recent pics. So simply tap on the plus icon that you'll be able to see on this interface. Now tap on the pictures that you want to add. After doing that, what you have to do is tap on the next option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after adding the pics, tap on the next option that you can see on the screen. You can also start the tutorial if you want. If you want to skip it, simply tap on the skip option. Now you can see over here your account has been created. So like this, you'll be able to create your Tinder account. So that is how you create Tinder account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.